Hello children, I am Sudesh sir from Sudesh Coaching Classes. Okay children, welcome to Season 9, Episode 1, Set Part B. In the last episode, we have studied something about sets. What is a set? Is a well-defined collection of objects. We also learned the ways of writing the set. One is list method, other is rules method, right? We also studied the method of writing a set, its curly bracket and the elements within and what it is denoted by. We also learned some basic sets, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, even number, prime number, odd number, and so on, right? In this particular episode, we are going to actually use our knowledge got in the first episode and write some of the answers of the set in the list method. I have written some of the problems on the board. Just we are going to find the answers of each one of them. Come. Write in list method. The number one problem is A is a set of months having 31 days. Which are the months having 31 days? Write slightly down. A has January. I'm going to write it in the short form. February doesn't have 31 days. March has 31 days. April doesn't have 31 days. Okay? And May has 31 days. Right? June doesn't have. And July and August both have 31 days, while September doesn't. October has 31 days. November doesn't. And the final month is December. So Jan, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Right? Got it? Now, let's go to the second sum. B is a set of natural numbers divisible by 5 between 51 and 91. That means you have to write a table of 5 between 51 and 91 का. What is above 51? 51 के बाद में 51 के बाद कौन सा टेबल है जो 5 में आता है? Of course, it is 55. And go on adding 5 onwards. Okay, and what do we have? We have this particular table. Okay, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. We cannot go 95 because the limit is 91. Okay, third sum. C is a set of vowels in the English alphabets. So English alphabets start from A, B, C, D and end on X, Y, Z. So we have to write the vowels. Now you know what are vowels? Okay, the vowels have A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels of English alphabets. D is a set of letters from the word Mississippi. Is there a word? Yes, there is a word called Mississippi. Now remember, any letters, any numbers, okay, in a set there is a rule that any number or any letter can be written only once. Okay, now you see there are repetition of some letters over here. So what will our D consist of? First of all, it will consist of M, right? Then I will eliminate this M. Then I will write I. I will eliminate all I's. Gone. Then I will write S. Then I'm going to eliminate all S. And finally we have P. And I'm going to eliminate all P. That's it. From the word of the letter Mi, C, C, P. Right? F is a set of prime factors of 30. Now you know what are the prime factors of 30? They are, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on. So using only these numbers, you have to factorize 30. How come you are going to do it? Come, I'll show you how. First, I'm going to factorize this 30 by 2. So 2 के कौन सा टेबल में 30 है? 2 15s are 30. Fine. अब कौन सा टेबल लगाऊं? 3. Okay. 3 how much is 15? 3 5s are 15. अब कौन सा टेबल लगाऊं? 5. 5 1s are 5. Ultimately it should come 1 over here. So 2, 3, 5 are the prime factors of 30. So I'm going to write F is equal to only 2, 3, and 5. Next are the factors of 12. Now you can use any numbers. factors of 12. ठीक है, 12 कौन कौन सा टेबल में आता है भाई? Okay, let us find out. 12 ones are 12, so I can write 1, I can write 12. अब 2 के टेबल में 12 है, yes. 2 6 are 12, right? Put 2 also and 6 also. Okay. 3 के टेबल में 12 है, yes. 3 4s are 12. 3 भी लिखो, 4 भी लिखो. So 1 2 3 4 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. H is a set of capital of India. So capital of India भाई एक ही है और वो है दिल्ली. Okay, remember to put curly brackets at both ends. So this is the answer. Look over the next problem. J is a set of prime even numbers. So let me write all the prime numbers starting from 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 and so on. Now there are two conditions over here. A first condition is that the number should be prime, which I have written it. A second condition is that it should be a even number. So let us find even number from this particular set. The only number is 2. Okay, so what our set J will contain? It will contain only one element and that is 2. Now, K is a set of first 10 perfect squares. What does it mean that a perfect square? तो 1 का square क्या होता है? 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. So 1, 4, 9, again 16. These are all perfect squares. We have to find first 10 perfect squares. Okay. So 1 का square 1. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. 4 4s are 16. 5 5s are 25. 6 6s are 36. 7 7s are 49. 8 8s are 64. 9 9s are 81 and final 10 10s are 100. Have you written all the first 10? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, we have written the first 10 perfect squares. L is a set of letters from the word follow. So I'm going to write this word follow over here. Okay, and let me complete it. पहला F एक ही letter लिखना है. Okay, I'm going to eliminate this. Then the next letter is O. I'm going to eliminate all O's. Then the next letter is L. I'm going to eliminate all L. Then the final letter is W. I'm going to write W and okay, everything gone. So the answer is F, O, L and W. Let's proceed further. Right? Now I'm going to give you various different types of sets. Okay? Starting from the Singleton set. What is a Singleton set? A Singleton set means a set having only one element. A Singleton set has only one element. A is a set of even prime numbers. So what will come in it? A will be equal to, yes, we are done last time. It will contain only 2 because 2 is the only number which is both even and prime. It contains only one element, therefore it is called as a Singleton set. Second part, null set or empty set. A null set or empty set is always denoted by a letter phi. A null set or empty set can be denoted by letter phi or just and curly brackets with nothing in it. B is a set of intersection of two parallel lines. Okay, see, this is a parallel line and this is a parallel line. They have asked the intersection between the two parallel lines. Will the parallel lines ever intersect? No. That means there is no point which is common to both parallel lines. So what will this set contains? Nothing. That means B is a empty set. Okay. The next set is finite set. A finite set has limited and countable elements. Okay. For example, C is a set of natural numbers between 30 and 40. So between 30 and 40, okay, how many numbers are there? I can say I'm writing over here. How many numbers are there? So we can say excluding 30 and 40, I can say 31, 32, 33, 34, dot, 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 39. So these are the numbers between 30 and 40. Are they countable? Yes, they are countable. Are they limited? Yes, they are limited. Therefore, C is called as the finite. Therefore, C is called as a finite set. Infinite set is a set having unlimited and uncountable elements. Okay? Example. D is a set of numbers greater than 100. So what will D contain? D will contain all the numbers greater than 100, which is 101, 102, 103, 104, and so on, unlimited. Okay, that cannot be counted. Therefore, it is called as an infinite set. Equal sets. These sets have equal and same elements each. I have given you an example. A is a set of letters from the word follow. So what will set A contain? A will contain F, O, L and W, as I taught to you a little bit before. Okay, F, O, L and W. What will the set B contain? B is the letters from the word flow. So what will B contain? B will contain F, L, O, W. C is a letter from the word wolf. What will the letter set C contain? C will contain W, O, L and F. Just visualize all these three sets, and do you find anything common? Yes. Letter F is repeated, O is repeated, L and L is repeated, and W and W is repeated. That means they contain same elements and equal number of elements. Therefore, A set, B set and C set are said to be equal set. We put an equal to sign in between them. Okay. Thank you, students. Hello children, I am Sudesh sir from Sudesh Coaching Classes.